Welcome back to Shop Talk. This week we're talking about the power of positivity. A positive work environment is the cornerstone of a thriving auto repair shop. When your employees feel valued, supported, and engaged, it directly impacts their productivity and job satisfaction. High morale translates to increased motivation, which in turn leads to improved performance and better customer service. Here are some tips to create a positive work environment in your auto repair shop. Open communication. Foster an atmosphere where the communication flows freely. Encourage your team to share their ideas, concerns, and feedback. Regular team meetings and one-on-one discussions can be invaluable in building trust and strengthening relationships. Rewards and recognition. Acknowledge and celebrate achievements, both big and small. Recognizing the hard work and dedication of your team members boosts morale and encourages a positive work ethic. Consider implementing employee recognition programs or monthly awards to highlight outstanding performance. Professional development. Invest in your team's growth by providing opportunities for training and professional development. When employees see that you are committed to their success, it enhances their sense of purpose and loyalty to the shop. By encouraging the free flow of ideas, celebrating achievements, and investing in the growth of your team, you not only boost morale but also lay the foundation for a thriving workplace. This positive atmosphere not only benefits your employees, but directly translates into improved performance and elevated customer service. As an auto repair shop owner, prioritizing the well-being and development of your team ultimately contributes to the long-term success and satisfaction of both your employees and your valued customers. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.